Thanks, dude.
Yeah, no problem. Cool, Sentry's here to fix that shit. Where am I going to?
Napa.
Where is it?
Just take a right out of here, go up to Robinson, and take a left.
Okay. What the fuck was that? Are you fucking kidding me?
What the fuck?
What is going on, dude? Did Betty do something to it?
This truck's a piece of shit, man.
Are you fucking kidding me? Every time I turn a blinker on, it's gonna honk now?
No way, dude.
Dude, did that really
No
just fucking
fucking
happen?
way. No. Couldn't have. Did you hit it?
Watch. Wait, I won't at least let people dance first.
Just turn it on. Fuck it.
Dude, wow.
That is fucking crazy.
What the fuck? Betty did something with the fuses, dude. He had to. What a douchebag, dude.
That's insane, man.
Well, the right one works. I really cannot believe that's hooked to the fucking horn. How is that possible, man?
This kid's looking at you like, what the fuck, dude?
How does that fuck? How do you do that?
I don't know. That's crazy. Just, I don't know, turn left up here.
Are you fucking kidding me? I'll turn left. Dude, that is just so fucking funny. So when the cop pulls me over, I can't use my left lap if you hung my horn all fucking day.
There you go. I'm sorry, I can't turn my blinker on.
How the fuck did he do that? There's gotta be a way to disable that. He's pretty fucking smart. He knows how to do bullshit like that. Dude, if I gotta take a left downtown, I'm in fucking a shitload of trouble. Dude, holy shit.
Yeah, you can just go back to the plant. We'll take my truck.
Because so I don't have to.
Yeah, we can take my truck.
Fuck, can we take
There's no way to take a right.
Holy shit, dude. He fucking did that. Benny did that shit, dude. I fucking know he did, dude. Fuck, it's war, dude. It is, The Magna Lube is coming out, dude. His steering wheel's getting greased, and this fucking door handle.
That is terrible.